I've been in Nepal for a month. It's freezing. Today it's 30 degrees, 86 Fahrenheit. Hey everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to Majorda Beach in Goa. Today I'm going to show you guys around, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. I even have snowmen in Goa. Wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2020. So I just stopped off a little shop here. Got a couple things. I got a liter of water as well as mango drink. It's basically sugar water, but it tastes pretty good. And then also pistachio milk, which is pretty good as well. They all cost 80 rupees altogether. The current exchange rate is 71 Indian rupees to $1 US. Majorda Beach, 3 kilometers. I probably could catch a taxi for $1, maybe $1.50. But it's a beautiful day. Nice weather compared to the colder weather up in Rajasthan that I've been used to. I wish I had recorded it yesterday morning coming from the airport. I came down a mountain, I believe, over there. And it was completely dark. I couldn't see the road. The road was lined with palm trees like I'm on now. But there was this thick fog, thick mist. I couldn't really see anything, and the sun started coming up at about 6 in the morning. And off in the distance up ahead, I saw this huge Catholic church. I could see the lights on the steeple to begin with, and then it kind of emerged out of the mist. And it was actually pretty freaky, kind of scary a bit, but really magical as well. So pretty cool experience walking around Goa at like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. This is Mother of God Church, just outside Majorda, as well as St. Anthony's High School. Yesterday, since it was New Year's, they were holding a huge mass here. This whole area was filled with chairs, hundreds of chairs, and hundreds of people coming from all over. They were all coming on the back of their motorbikes, on the backs of trucks, all wearing their finest dresses and suits and everything. Good enough. Oh, perfect. Sandals, floaties, random tourist trinkets. Alright, it's getting a little more touristy as you get toward the beach. More expensive, I'm sure. Good, and yourself? Oh, no, I'm fine, thank you. So I'm getting close to the beach. There's a significant increase in the number of Western tourists that I'm seeing on the road here, and I can hear beach noises in the background here. But I ran into a couple of people, some friends, and one was from Oregon, which is where I'm from. She's from Portland, Oregon, so that was nice. Talking to another Oregonian in Goa. I've actually met several Oregonians here in India so far. Wow. been in Nepal for a month. It's been freezing. Been in northern India. It's been freezing. Today it's 30 degrees, which is, I don't know, 80, 86 Fahrenheit. It's pretty warm. Water's amazing. It's gonna feel so good. Ugh, kingfisher. No thanks.